Hi all, and welcome to Night Rips. And as you can see right in front of you, this is going to be a rip of RC Explosion. But here's the fun part. This is not a rip of one. This is a rip of two. I actually am bringing Birdie Boogie back to we're going to conduct a little box war. Now this is the volume 44 of the RC Explosion. And actually I'm going to use Birdie's because for whatever reason, I think my RC Explosion got into a car wreck. So the packs are fine, but my list is a little bit crumpled. So here's what we're opening. It's gonna be 97 Fleer. Of course, that's gonna be Big Poppy. 2014 Topps Update, 15 Bowman Draft, 19 Topps Series 2, 19 Topps Update, 20 Bowman Retail, 21 Bowman Retail, and 21 Topps Chrome Light. We'll call out what rookies we're looking for, but again, we're going to do this a little bit different. This isn't just going to be a rip of packs and see who we get. Birdie and I are going to go pack for pack and see what we can do. We're going to go battle for battle to see who has the best pack, and then at the very end, who has the best box. So these front ones are going to be obviously who we think is going to be the best card. Might not necessarily be a rookie, but a lot of times, since these are the ones we're chasing, that's probably who we're going to put up. And then whoever we choose from each one will go in the back. We can actually change out who's in the back to find out at the end of this who wins the war. Of course, winning the war is going to be all bragging rights, but we'll go ahead and get started. But before we get started, and before I bring Birdie to go ahead and start pulling his packs out, we're going to go from oldest to newest, and I want to take the time to invite you to join the channel. Planning to do more of this type of stuff, so you definitely want to be a part. So definitely hit that subscribe button below and hit the notify bell so you know when we're going to war. So with that being said, Birdie, are you ready to go to war?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. So we're going to start off 1997 Fleer. This one, the big one we're going to try to pull is the Big Poppy, David Ortiz. So there's mine. You got yours?
I got mine.
Let's rip them.
So first thing I'm immediately noticing about this product, which is interesting, 3 hobby exclusives. Obviously the Tiffany Collection Parallel, Decade of Excellence insert set, and then Andrew Jones autograph card. You actually just met Andrew Jones at the National.
Absolutely.
So I'll let you open yours first.
Okay.
I'll make sure you do it on camera now.
Oh,
you gotta make sure it's legitimate.
Gotta make sure. Buy the book.
Also says Emerald Redemption cards for autographed card sets from Alex Rodriguez and 5 other players. So we're hoping we don't pull one of those.
Oh, that would suck.
We don't want a redemption.
And it's a Fleer product, so it's not like we're going to get like a care package from Topps.
1 special print card in every pack, it says.
Oh, there's packs coming apart. Let's see who we got. Oh, these are neat looking cards, actually. They're kind of subdued there.
Yeah, it says textured legend matte finish, perfect for autographs. So these cards were designed to be signed.
Oh, this is awesome.
Which is pretty interesting, because now we're in the era of everything has to be chrome, which doesn't sign well at all. But these were specifically made to be signed.
Yeah, and this is 97, so this is post-strike. And okay, that's...
Checklist.
Oh, it is a checklist. I'm like, that's the most bizarre card. Because it's like, why is it in the middle? Huh. All right, I'm just looking to see who I would actually put up. Pat Listock, he's not bad.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's it a redemption for?
It's a 6-card autograph Emerald Redemption.
Oh, this is painful.
Oh, no.
Oh, you have to collect all 10.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a little nicer.
Yeah, boy, that was gonna suck. Tony, there's a rookie.
Rookie Brave.
Yeah, second base. Gruffy Nino. And
that's one of the
$1 million moment card.
1 special print card in every pack, so I guess this would be the special print.
Yeah, well, Albert Bell is a pretty good one. So I only have 1 rookie. I'm gonna put him up because everybody else. I mean, Pat Listock was pretty good, but that's about as good as I'm getting. What do you got?
All right. Remember, the last time I was on this channel, I pulled a out of 25 mem autos. Let's continue that luck here and get something crazy. Let's get David Ortiz. I'm 1 step closer to winning $1 million. Alrighty. We have, here we go. Quilvio Veras.
Oh, you got your checklist.
I got my Barry Larkin checklist.
I didn't notice who my checklist.
And there he is, David Ortiz, ladies and gentlemen.
No way.
There he is.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is Arias.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
That was before he was David Ortiz. Here he is. This is what we were chasing for. 1997 Fleer. David Ortiz, rookie, first baseman for the Minnesota Twins. I think I won the first.
Oh. I actually noticed that it was stuck to another card. I did pull a A-Rod card, but I think you got this one.
I'm going to sleeve this up real quick. Just boom, right there. David Ortiz. That is who we were chasing. We might as well see who else is in here. Robert Person. Looks like he's going for a bunt there. He's a pitcher. Aaron Sell. Mike Stanton. Not the Mike Stanton of Yankee legend now.
No, not Giancarlo now, but...
Brent Brady, rookie. Brady, rookie. What is this?
Oh, that's a mini.
Frank H. Fleer bubblegum card for Derek Jeter.
Oh, wow.
Derek Jeter looks to be a fine figure of a young ball player. 4 of 15.
So I pulled an A-Rod special card. You pulled a Jeter, so you beat me on that one, too.
He led all Major League rookie players in batting in 96, setting the pace for his freshman mates with a batting average of 314. Pretty cool card there.
Yeah, it's a little mini.
Not usually a big fan of minis, but I like that one. Mike Trombley. And then my $1 million moment.
Chris Chambliss.
There you go.
I got you beat on that one. I got Albert Bell. I'd give him over to Chris Chambliss. So.
But can't complain. We started off hot. David Ortiz, rookie.
All right. There's your wrapper. I'm going to put him back. You probably should put him back because...
that might be the one.
Right now, you've got the war. So, but, it's the first battle. But you took battle number 1. But we still got 7 more packs to go. So this next one is going to be 24 update. Now, who are we looking for here? Mookie Betts and Jacob deGrom. Wow, okay. And we could pull autos out of this one. So
now the question is, though, if one of us pulls Mookie, one of us pulls deGrom, who wins? We're going to anger a fan base either way.
Yeah, no. I don't know. We'll fight that one out as it comes. All right, Daniel Descalso, Tyler Moore. There's a Brett. Jake Peavy. Martin Bravo. We got a color. This would be Randy Choate, and I think that would be a numbered card. And it is a numbered card. Numbered out of 214, so it is the gold. 2014, sorry.
Gotta keep him honest.
Yeah. Oh, there's a nice Yu Darvish. Fastest to reach 500 strikeouts. There is a Ranger. That's kind of cool.
Now a member of the Padres.
Yep, and it was a Cubs before that. Well, there's a nice Devin Mesoraco.
Speaking of Stanton.
Yeah, there we go. That's his All-Star card, too. Giancarlo Stanton. Of course, this was back when he was with the Marlins. Of course, now with the Yankees. And we end it with Ronald Belisario, who's a White Sox. I'll put my numbered card up because that's probably the best one I have.
All right,
Stanton was pretty cool.
Let's keep the trend going. Let's pull Mookie Betts and deGrom in the same pack. Let's get crazy.
Oh, that would suck.
2014 update. I can get the pack open. There we go. Let's keep it rolling. Josh Satin.
That's a chrome card, isn't it? No, that's just the bottom part.
Yeah.
I didn't notice it was chrome at the bottom whenever I was opening it.
Will Neves. Matt Thornton. Oh, there's the rookie we were looking for. Zealous Wheeler.
Oh, it's zealous.
Kelly
I'm
Johnson.
zealous.
Oh, and Mookie Betts numbered.
Oh, no.
Mookie Betts rookie debut. Oh, my gosh. It keeps on rolling, ladies and gentlemen. It keeps on rolling. Mookie Betts rookie debut. And that is
2014 too, isn't it? Yes, it is.
Yep, that is 978 out of 2014. Rookie debut, Mookie Betts. if you're not subscribed to RC Explosion Box, I gotta recommend it.
Yeah, and that's honestly, Birdie's the reason I signed up for this, because, you know, he pulled, was it a bats up or bats down Acuna and a
Bobby Webb, Bowman first.
Yeah.
Non-auto, but it was still nice.
And you pulled, was it a Stanton or was it a what's his name?
I pulled a good amount of Rafi Devers rookies. Honestly, it's fun opening up older products like this. I like going through it.
Ooh, Sandy Koufax.
Andy Koufax, World Series Heroes. Drew Pomeranz.
Pomeranz is pretty good.
Yasiel Puig, All-Star. And Nelson Cruz,
Ooh,
All-Star.
that's a very young Nelson Cruz there.
Fun for the Orioles. So I think we're 2-0. We're going to keep the score on the screen, but I believe it's 2-0 now.
It is 2-0.
I think I'm going to keep... I don't know if I should keep the Ortiz or if we go for the numbered Mookie rookie debut.
Actually, I'm pulling mine because at least a number is better than a plain rookie.
I'm going to keep Ortiz just for the sake he is a Hall of Famer now. But obviously we cannot complain about rookie numbered Mookie bets.
All right. So for the third round, I'm going to let Mr. Birdie Boogie start off. I'm going to see if it's the second person luck.
So 2015 Bowman draft. I mean, this is a who's list right here. We have Austin Riley, Kyle Tucker, Walker Buehler, Andrew Benintendi, Rogers, and of course Dansby Swanson as well. I would love a Riley. Just signed a huge deal. We'll be staying in Atlanta for the time being. But let's see who we can get here.
I mean, a future MVP, Austin Riley.
I hope so. I see a Blake Snell here at the back.
Snell's all right.
Alrighty. So...
It's a Bowman first.
Bowman first of Jeff Hendricks.
Was it one of those ones that's hard to read?
Looks like we have some color. We have a Bowman first, Tristan McKenzie.
Oh, there you go.
There you go, Dr. Sticks. I'll put him there for now. We have a Bowman first Chrome of James Kapralian. Also, great player. So we do have some color, Bowman Chrome color. So we'll save that for last. So we have Sean Reed Foley. We have Emmanuel Margot, who... I want to say he's a Ray now, isn't he?
Yes, he is a Ray.
That's him as a Red Sox. Of course, Blake Snell.
It's a Ray.
All right, and
it's not an insert; it's a true color.
So it's a color. It's
Boston.
a Red Sox. Manuel Margot.
Oh wow, what's he number 2?
That is not going to be numbered. That is not going to be numbered, but still pretty. But I'm going to keep Dr. Sticks, Bowman first paper of Tristan McKenzie. That'll be who I'm keeping up there.
Yeah, he's kind of kicking it this year. All right, so now it's my turn. Let's see if I can pull a Dansby and a Riley, both at the same time. I got to win at least one of these battles. I think from this point on, we're going to alternate too. I got Kyle Zimmer on the back. But let's see, we've got, that would be Chris Betts. He is Bowman first. We have Kevin Kramer.
Oh, there we go.
No,
No.
we don't.
I saw Austin. I got excited for you.
Man, no. We have an Austin, but it's the wrong Austin. It's Austin Allen. It's his. That's a chrome Bowman first. That's a weird color chrome too, isn't it? It's just probably just the way
I think it's just the crowd. It's dark.
On the back, what do we got?
That's Dansby.
We got a Dansby Swanson. This would be the draft dividends, because he was a first pick draft choice. Boy, and that's him, obviously, before he had his mustache and beard. And before, this was when Dansby was Dan's baby, because this was young. This was right out of Vandy. He was actually signed with the Diamondbacks and then got traded here to the Braves. I'm going to put Dansby up, though, at least for now. There's Tyler Danish, DJ Peterson, and I mentioned Kyle Zimmer. So, what do you think?
I mean, I think you got to give, a little bit of a props to the guy with the ring. So I think Dan's baby will take that one.
Yeah, I'll take that one. Pretty neat, though. And I will put him on the back. I will change it out. He might not be numbered. This is not a numbered one, but it is still a first-round draft choice. Can't complain.
All All right, so who's going first next?
I'll go first. We'll alternate from this point on. But this next one, what's it going to be? It's going to be 2019 Series 2. Of course, you got two great ones on the front with Trout and Aaron. But what are we looking for in 2019 Series 2? Vladdy Jr., Fernando Tatis Jr., that's kind of sad, Pete Alonso, and Eloy Jimenez.
I mean, Tatis, obviously, his value is going down. And then, you know, it's interesting to see Eloy still on that list because Eloy just got hurt again recently. So he just can't stay healthy.
Yeah, it's pity to see. And Tatis, you know, he's got a lot to make up for. We'll see if he can. He may be burned with the Padres. I've got a Victor Reyes rookie. I'll put Victor Reyes over DJ Stewart, though. Another rookie card. So we might have a good rookie pack. Josh Rogers.
Another rookie?
Yep. He's a pitcher, so that's why he's not going up. There's Steven Pierce.
Future stars.
Boy, this is a painful one. I mean, I like Victor Reyes, but it's my boy Ozzy. I mean, this would be his second year card. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to put Ozzy up. Hopefully he's coming back here soon. He's been doing some running drills. Wellington Castillo. We got a 150 card. This would be Aaron Arthur. Andrew Chafin. I'm saying the names backwards, by the way. Kyle Gibson.
Love his mustache.
Oh yeah, that's a Strider look. He just doesn't have the quads. Carlos Carrasco, back when he was with the Cleveland. Of course, now with the Mets. Jose Peraza. There's Pettit. Andy Diaz and Jason Castro. When he was with the Twins, now he's with the Astros. So I put up my Ozzy. Let's see what you got.
All right. So what's interesting about this checklist is it says Vladimir Guerrero NNO. I'm not sure what that means. So Filmington, if you're out there watching, explain. All right. Or maybe we'll just pull it and I'll find out myself.
Well, the RD's rookie debuts.
Yep. So but I've never seen NNO. So
yeah,
I'm not sure what that is. All righty. We have Willie Adames, rookie cup.
That's a nice one.
Put that there for now. Alan Hansen. Rosel Herrera. Austin Slater. We have Kevin Kiermaier. Minnesota Twins. We have Lou Gehrig. That's just a nice looking card right there.
That's 52.
Iconic card reprints.
51. Yeah, 51.
Yep. Iconic card reprints. Very nice. Austin Wins. Tyler White. Kevin Kramer. Ooh. Mikey Matuk. Adam Plutko. Ryan McMahon. And San Diego Sluggers. Hosmer gives props. I think Albies beats Willie Adames, so I think you win another.
All right. So we are now, what's that, 2-2?
I believe so.
All right. Well, it's your turn to go first.
All right, so we have 2019 Topps update. We have Riley, Vlad, and Fernando Tatis' rookie debut. And then we're going to start getting into some Bowman, which is always fun. And that's honestly another thing I really like about these RC Explosion boxes is it gives me a chance to open up a lot of Bowman, which is always a little bit more expensive. Yonder Alonso,